Hi friends, I'm Subi. Thank you for watching my previous videos and do subscribe to explore different food varieties. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Hungarian special dish, stuffed cabbage with chicken. Let's collect the ingredients first. You will need 1 small cabbage, preferably sweet cabbage, boneless chicken, 2 onions, salt, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of powdered cinnamon, clove and cardamom mix, 2 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons ketchup or more, and sour cream. We can do this in 3 simple steps. The first step would be boiling the cabbage with a little bit of salt in it and make sure the layers are completely softened and remove it from the water. Now remove the leaves one by one and try to maintain the cup shape of the leaf so that you can stuff the chicken inside. Continue to remove the leaves one by one until you reach the end and also remove the thick skin from the leaves to enable smooth rolling. Now the step 1 is over and let's keep this aside and let's move on to step 2. Before we move to step 2, we need to crush or mince the chicken for using in the process. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add the finely chopped onion into the pan and saute it until it's golden brown. Once the onion is sauteed, try adding the salt and the spices one by one as per the instructions. Now that the mixture is ready, you can start adding the chicken to it and try to mix it evenly. Make sure the chicken is not fully cooked, we just need the salted flavor added to the chicken. Now start adding rice to the mixture and let it dry, and again not fully cooked. It will be done in the last process. As of now we are just going to dry roast it and keep it out. Now for the last step, start filling the chicken mixture in the leaves the way I am showing it and start stacking it in a vessel or a pressure cooker. I've stacked all the rolls into a vessel in a way that they are not getting disturbed, or even if it is opening, there is no much damage. I blended 2 tomatoes and adding the juice to the rolls. On top of it, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ketchup to have a tangy taste. You can also add more if you'd like. Add a little bit of salt to the mix and let it boil for at least 1 hour. Add some more water and let it cook for an hour in a low flame. Do not stir it as it might break the rolls. Keep checking for the consistency of the water. As I mentioned earlier, it is better not to stir it with any spoon. Instead, just shake it a little bit to check the consistency of the liquid. If not, add some hot water to it. Now that the rolls are fully cooked, I have added some oregano and pepper for seasoning. This can be served best with curd or yogurt. This is one of the unique dishes I tried and I definitely liked. So do try this at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. Looking forward to come up with more variety dishes. See you soon. Thank you.